Stop telling yourself you can't code on the go. This is Visual Studio Code, running natively, right here on my Android phone. No remote desktop, no compromises. In the next few seconds, I'll show you the exact free method to turn any Android device into a full-time development machine. This isn't magic.
To achieve what you saw before, you need to open your Play Store and search for this particular application called Acode. Now this is the application we're going to be using. It's called Acode. As you can see here, you can open it. Just click on the install button to install, and you can also go to their website to see about it and all of its features, and you can sign up and use some premium plugins and so on and so forth like that. Then you can also see, once you search for Acode like that, you will see another place where you can download it from. If it's not showing in the Play Store, you can go to that F-Droid to download the application. So then once it's installed, just open the application. This is the interface, it's loading. As you can see, I'm already working there before. I'll just close all these projects that I did there. As you can see, it has this sidebar like Visual Studio Code. So you just click on open folder, then I close this one, then click on that plus sign up there, click on the plus sign to add a path. Click on add the path, then we click on new folder, then we just pick any folder from your, or create a new folder from your phone directory. I'll be using lazy list, then I'll use this folder, click on allow, then click on OK, and you can see this is the list of the folders I import. Then I'll click on that tick sign to add. I'll click on the tick sign to add that folder to the app directories here, like Visual Studio Code. Then we click on OK. As you can see, that is the list, and I open that file. You can also edit VCF file also using this application. It supports many programming language like Visual Studio Code. Then click on, you can see that extension sign, like Visual Studio Code. Just click on explore to see other extensions which you can install like Visual Studio Code. It has live server, printer, that code formatter. It has even React and more like that which you can use. It also have a inbuilt terminal. So if you want me to show you how to use that, just write it in the comments below that I should do full video on how everything works. So this is how it is. You can just search for Java. If you find this video very helpful, don't forget to click on the like button and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel to grow. Thanks for watching.